Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Let us know about the process of CAM mechanism, that is crassulacean acid metabolism, and it is occur in the Bryophyllum plants. And this process will be divided into two phases. One phase is dark reactions and another phase is light acidifications. So in the dark acidification, the CO2 which is present in air will come to the enter into the mesophyll cell, and this is the upper epidermis, and this blue color is the stomata. So the CO2 which is present in the air will enter into the mesophyll cell, and in this cell there is water is present, and CO2 will reacts with the H2O, and it will be formed at first H2CO3, and it will be dissociate into HCO3, that is bicarbonate ion, and H plus. So CO2 and H2O will react, and the reaction will occur with an enzyme, that is carbonic anhydrase. With the help of the enzyme, that is carbonic anhydrase, the CO2 will convert it into H2CO3, and the H2CO3 will be dissolved in HCO3 minus and H plus. And in the next process, the HCO3 minus, with the help of phosphoenol pyruvate, that is PEP, and another enzyme, that is PEP carboxylase, that is PEP carboxylate, it will form oxaloacetic acid. Oxaloacetic acid. So the bicarbonate ion, with the help of phosphoenol pyruvate and the enzyme that is called PEP carboxylase, it will be form the oxaloacetic acid. So in the next step, the oxaloacetic acid, and in this process the inorganic phosphate will open up, and the oxaloacetic acid, with the help of NADPH and H, it will be formed NADP. And here is another enzyme is required, that is malate dehydrogenase. And it will be formed, oxaloacetic acid will be formed malate. So how the malate is formed? The oxaloacetic acid react with NADPH and H, and in this process NADP will comes out, and the enzyme is required, that is malate dehydrogenase, and it will be form malate compound, and in the malate it will next the form malic acid. And we all know in the plant cell there is a cell. So there is a cell, and in this cell the large vacuole is present in the plant cell. So the malic acid which is formed, it will enter into the vacuole and it will be stored food. We all know the vacuole stored food. So malic acid is stored here. All clear? And the whole process, the from CO2 to malic acid, it will be occur in dark acidification, because in the crassulacean acid metabolism the stomata will be open in the night time. So the CO2 will enter in the night times only. So the malic acid which is form in the night time, then in the daytime phase, that is light deacidification, the malic acid will next form malate. and the malate with the help of NADP and the enzyme, another enzyme is required, that is malate decarboxylase, which is the enzyme malate decarboxylase. It will be formed pyruvate. What will be formed? It will be formed pyruvate. And another is CO2 will be formed, and the NADP which is used up, and it will be formed the H plus. So the malic acid first converted into the malate, and the malate with the help of the enzyme malate decarboxylase, it will be formed. So the pyruvate in the first phase, it will be formed phosphoenol pyruvate, that is PEP. And the second phase, it will be formed a glucose compound, which is 3-carbon compound, and the glucose will enter into the Calvin cycle. We all know, in the previous video I will share this Calvin cycle. If you don't know about the Calvin cycle, please watch this video. And the glucose enter into the Calvin cycle, and another form, the CO2 will be formed in, and the CO2 will also enter into the Calvin cycle, and this will, after this will form glucose. So it is in the daytime, and we all know that in CAM mechanism, in daytime the stomata will be closed. The stomata will be closed, so there is no CO2 is comes up. So the in the night time, whichever CO2 is comes in, and it will form the malic acid, and this malic acid will enter into the light deacidification, and from this malic acid it will first form malate, and with the help of malate decarboxylase enzyme it will form pyruvate and also the CO2, and pyruvate will be formed the glucose which is entered into the Calvin cycle, and also the CO2 which is formed, it will be entered into the Calvin cycle. Together both of these produced glucose. So this is a CAMP mechanism. I hope it will be helpful for you, and this is very easily I will studied you. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe.